Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect PS5 to Xfinity Wi-Fi 2025. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is turn on your PS5 and go to the main menu. Over here, go to the top right corner of the screen and select the settings icon. After that, select network in the settings. Then select set up internet connection. Your PS5 will start scanning for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Over here, choose your Xfinity Wi-Fi network from the list. After that, enter the Wi-Fi password associated with your Xfinity Wi-Fi network. Then select Test Internet Connection to ensure that your PS5 is successfully connected. If you're on an Xfinity public hotspot and having trouble connecting, consider using the Xfinity Wi-Fi app on your mobile device. Over here, you can log in and share your network via hotspot if needed. So that's basically how you can connect PS5 to Xfinity Wi-Fi 2025. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.